Check out this Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. C-code car, 289 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Cool thing about this car, original Raven black car with the white and black trim as far as the interior. You just don't see a lot produced that way, or I have not come across a lot at the car shows and doing the videos and working at Unique here. So kind of cool combination, white vinyl top. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome bumper, grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the trunk, the undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well. I would not say it's a trailer queen paint job by any means. It's one, get in and drive it, have some fun. But it definitely has a nice reflection to it. Black has a nice shine. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Wheel cover with the tri-bar spinners. Cool classic look on these Mustangs. Now interior, like I said, white and black trimmed interior. This would be the standard interior. Bucket seats, center console, of course, with that C4 automatic transmission shifter. We're going to get around to the driver's side, but I played around with this car just a little bit ago. Had the wipers working, blower fan works, and even what appears to be the stock AM radio. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'll assist with transportation if you would like some assistance with that. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'd see the vinyl top, also in nice shape on the passenger side and the rear of it. A few things that are going to come with this vehicle. It does have the shop manual, jack, looks like a glove box liner there, car cover. Those will be in the trunk and will be included with the purchase of this nice 65 Ford Mustang Coupe. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. That chrome in the rear looks good. Backup lights, which I believe was an option in 65. This one also has seat belts. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, it's just in the clear. You might find some imperfections, but again, it shows well. It was buffed and waxed, has a nice shine to it. Like I said, it's one of those get in, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Did have a spot I wanted to show you, but rear seat pretty much looks like it's free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner, notice a little spot in the rear above the window. I think that was about the only spot as far as the headliner goes. Then I did notice where the seam is separated, pulled apart right down here. Let you know about that. All right, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll also take a look underneath the hood. There you can hear that blower fan. Hear that, so blower fan is working. There we go. A little gas to it. Radio.
This big tent, giant
Again, AM radio
over in Brooklyn
is working. Had a new speaker put in it, actually. I've seen in some of the notes. I'm going to go through some of the service stuff with you here in just a bit too. Take a look at the top of the dash. All right. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely, recently adjusted. As far as some of the service work, August of this past year, did have a new battery installed. That summer the same year, radiator was flushed, new heater core, blower motor, duct work, coolant and hoses, and then that's also when the speaker was replaced. In August of 20, it did have a little tune-up, plugs, points, distributor cap, rotor, air filter. So again, get in it, drive it, have some fun. Also, previous owner wanted to know, been using Schaefer's 20W50 high zinc oil. Not smoking. Sounds good. Slip up to the front. I'm going to show you this engine bay. Again, C-code car. You'll be able to see the data tag, the VIN stamp, and the fender. All that's in the still pictures. Hang on. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. All right. There's a look underneath the hood. Now, there it is. 289. V8. Again, paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Looks like it's had newer shocks installed to it here in the front. There's struts. Let's go ahead. Passenger side. So pretty stock looking engine compartment. (1965) Ford Mustang Coupe, original Black Raven car, white interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1965 Ford Mustang. We're going to take it for a drive for you. This car is a smooth runner. It's an automatic on the floor. It's a black with a white top, white interior. That's a very striking look. Our fuel gauge is under a quarter. Temperature gauge is just about half. Speedometer is showing 45 miles an hour right now. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're going to do some driving videos for you. This car is nice and smooth on the highway. Get her up a little faster here. You're getting a little wind whistle, but she runs good. Turn signal indicator is a little blinky as opposed to flashing. I'm not positive if that is working correctly. Our blower motor works great. Heater works, which is important on a day like this where it is about 7 degrees Fahrenheit outside. This car is easy to steer and actually has really good acceleration. Definitely want to check it out online or in our showroom.